Okay, so today's just a real quick video on repairing the wires on sprinkler controls. I'm going to be using some shrink tubing, and our sprinkler controls are usually under this fake rock, and I happened to notice that one of the stations, number 6, wasn't working, so I had to take the rock off, and we can see here that the wires have been cut. Actually, they were chewed through. We've had a rat problem. Where we are, it's kind of hilly and it's somewhat rural, and we've been having a lot of rats all over the place. So we have to keep covering things and making it harder for them to get to. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clean off these wire ends and reattach them. And I'll put the shrink tubing on first, and then I'll reattach them. Okay, so that should hold. I'm gonna go test the controls. Be back in a minute. Okay. So now we've got sprinklers going again. Now that was just a real quick fix. You can certainly solder it if you want. I just twisted it and put the shrink tubing on it because I'm going to be covering it back up with the rock. But basically that's it. That's just a real quick fix. Okay, but again, you can solder the wire if you want before putting the shrink tubing on. Since this is going to be all covered up, it's not going to be getting wet like it is right now. This should be fine. Okay? Alright, that's it.